A nice day today. Aray ko. I've eaten quite a lot already on that. Happy plants. Happy plants. See, I'm already adding some compost. I need to clean this. Fill it up. I haven't picked any goji berries. I got lazy. I really don't know why I plant this. They don't taste good, but they said it's good for tea. So yeah, I have the seeds. I had the fruit for tea that I'm drying right now. So far, look at this. I need to start taking them out because it's already getting cold. I don't know what's gonna happen with my eggplant. Hopefully it can survive the winter. Would be nice. He's fixing na for my boxing. I just need the sand. Then I can start boxing. My exercise. Potato is coming out now. And my garlic looks healthy. Hopefully I get to dry this one. There's that one for seeds. So I can plant it next year. Because I didn't really get much. It's too cold already. So far my avocado, they're happy though. And there's my other one. Here's my other one. I wonder. I just wonder. Yun na yun. I should taste it already too. I should. Lots of greens coming soon. Lots of worms here in this soil. All these pots. Lots of worms. Earthworms. Even in there. This tree. All the way here. All the way over there.